In today's intriguing chess video, I'll unveil remarkable opening tricks and traps within the Fajarowicz Gambit to trap the queen. We initiate the sequence with the moves d4, knight f6, and c4, followed by our intriguing pawn to e5 maneuver. White captures our pawn, prompting our response of knight to e4, which signifies the Fajarowicz variation. Notably, if we opt for knight to g4, the scenario transforms into the Budapest Defense. For more insights on the Budapest Gambit, feel free to explore my comprehensive video accessible through the link provided in the comments section. Moving forward, let's delve into the Fajarowicz variation. At this juncture, three prevalent white responses emerge: pawn to f3, pawn to a3, and knight to f3. I'll unveil the traps within each of these lines. First, considering pawn to f3, a move that weakens white's position, I'll demonstrate how you can capitalize on this blunder to secure a substantial advantage. Beginning with the ingenious bishop b4 check, regardless of white's response, the outcome remains favorable. Subsequently, we proceed with queen h4 check. White's sole permissible move involves pawn blockage. Promptly, we seize the opportunity by capturing this pawn with our knight. Should white opt to capture back, the outcome leads to a decisive queen g3 checkmate. Alternatively, if white pursues a move like bishop b4 and seizes our bishop, we unveil the elegant knight to e4 checkmate, solidifying the victory. Before proceeding, please do show your appreciation for this video by giving it a thumbs up below. Your support truly matters, as it signals your enjoyment of this topic and fuels my enthusiasm to create more videos like this. Now, let's revisit the optimal move that white can employ in this position, which is pawn to a3. This strategic move prevents our bishop from executing a check on the king. Subsequently, we initiate pawn to b6, which might appear counterintuitive initially, as it seemingly exposes our rook and knight to a queen fork. However, this is the setup for our skillfully orchestrated trap. With queen d5 as the next move, our response involves another seemingly questionable move, bishop to b7. This unexpected maneuver is sure to surprise your opponent. Should your opponent opt for caution and retreat the queen to safety, we gain a substantial developmental advantage. Yet, if they succumb to greed and capture our bishop, they will quickly find themselves in a perilous situation. Allow me to demonstrate the sequence. Following the capture of our bishop by the queen, our strategic move involves placing our knight on c6. At this juncture, white becomes acutely aware of the vulnerability of their queen. With limited options for safety, the sole refuge for the queen lies on square a6. Seizing the initiative, we proceed with knight to c5, launching an attack on the queen. Once more, the available safe square for the queen narrows down to b5. Remarkably, after the ensuing move a6, the once mighty queen finds itself trapped. Consequently, the unfolding captures leave you with the substantial advantage of a queen in exchange for a knight and bishop. This substantial advantage often compels opponents to consider resignation as a viable option. Another intriguing variation beckons our attention. Before delving into it, a gentle reminder: if you aspire to enhance your chess prowess and acquire a repertoire of captivating chess tricks, I urge you to promptly subscribe to our channel. Remember to activate notifications for the complete experience. Now, let's see an alternative response frequently adopted by white. In this scenario, envision white's knight advancing to f3 as a conventional development move. In response, we adhere to the same concept with a subtle twist, resulting in a fascinating stratagem. Commencing with our customary move b6, we lure white into opting for queen to d5. The narrative unfolds with bishop b7, queen's capture, followed by knight c6. As anticipated, the queen seeks an avenue of escape. This is where the twist comes into play, necessitating a cautious approach. Instead of directly opting for knight c5, A tactical interlude must be introduced. Enter bishop to b4 check. No matter how white chooses to obstruct, your response remains straightforward, executing knight to c5 to threaten the queen. By previously deploying the bishop, you assert dominance over the a3 square, effectively restraining the queen's escape route in that direction. With just one viable square at hand, white settles for queen to b5. Ensuingly, a strategic exchange of bishops safeguards against a gratuitous loss. Following this, a6 clears the path for the vanishing act of the opponent's prized queen. Victory lies within reach, poised to be secured with ease. Now, it's time for a puzzle. In the given position, it's white's turn, and you need to find the best move for white. Share your answers in the comments, and let's see how many of you can solve it correctly. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with future videos. Take a moment to check out the other videos appearing on your screen right now. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care and peace.